and welcome to Fabric by Singhania. If you're still looking for some nice suit sets or nice dress pieces, we've got the perfect set of fabrics in Chanderi silk with beautiful foil print. And the best part about it is that all of them are on sale for up to 50% off in our flagship anniversary sale. So here in our first fabric, we've got this really beautiful Chanderi silk fabric in a nice beige tone. This neutral shade is perfect to recreate into any kind of menswear kurta, a couple outfit, even a kurti. And all over this, you can see this really nice foil print, which is in a nice light gold silver tone. So the entire fabric together gives a really nice and royal touch and is perfect to create any kind of outfit during this festive season, and it's quite breathable and lightweight. So in our second fabric here, we've selected another beautiful Chanderi silk fabric in a really nice shade of pista green. It's a beautiful pastel color, and all over this you can see the foil print in nice light gold and silver color. And the best part about it is that all of these fabrics are up to 50% off here at Banjara Hills store starting from 1st of September, and it's a month-long sale. So if you guys want any of these fabrics, you can take it all. And the best part about it is that if you take the entire thon, you get up to 50% off on it. And this one would be perfect to customize into a blouse piece, a kurta, an A-line kurti, and many more outfits for the festive season because it's quite lightweight and breathable. And in this fabric, you can see that it has all over foil print done in nice rose design, and it looks really beautiful. Want to create a nice menswear kurta, this would give both a royal touch and it would be quite casual and comfortable too. So we've got really nice shades in these as well, one of which is this really beautiful yellow, and we've also got it in orange and other colors. So if you guys want to know more about these fabrics, you can comment below or you can visit us at Banjara Hills Road number 1. Now this other fabric that you see over here is another really nice pastel blue shade, and this would be perfect to create any kind of kids wear outfits too. It's got this really beautiful design done all over it in nice foil print, giving it a really nice shine, and it gives a really fun and interesting look to the entire fabric. You can customize this into a nice kurta for your son, or even if you want to create a nice blouse piece for a lehenga for kids wear, this kind of fabric would look really amazing. And we've got another shade in this, and all of these are up to 50% off here at Fabric by Singhania's. Now this shade that you see over here is a really nice bubblegum pink, and it really looks pleasing to your eyes. You can recreate this into really nice feminine outfits like a suit set, a dupatta, a kurti, and even if you want to create something of a fusion wear, you can create a nice co-ord set with this. As you can take a look at the foil print, it's beautifully done and it gives a very nice and rustic charm to the entire fabric, perfect to customize into any kind of outfit. If you guys want to know more about how much fabric you'll be requiring, you can comment below or you can DM us on our Instagram handle as well, and you can wear this fabric anywhere for any kind of outfit and it would look just amazing. Now as you take a look at this really nice dual tone shade of yellow orangish color, this also has a really nice pattern done on it, which is very unique and different from the others. As you take a look, it's all foil printed and it gives a really royal and vintage look at the same time, perfect to recreate any festive wear outfits, be it a kurta, be it a kurti. Even if you want to create a nice suit set with this kind of fabric, it would look really ideal. So if you guys want to know more about how much fabric you'll be requiring, you can comment below or you can follow us on our social media handle to see more of these kind of collections. Now as you see this Chanderi silk fabric, it's quite lightweight, breathable and very flowy, perfect to recreate any kind of kurtas or couple outfits. Even if you want to create a nice and unique blouse piece for yourself, you can stitch that into this fabric. And the perfect part about it is the color. It's quite pleasing to the eyes and it's got this really nice light shade of aqua blue, which gives a really beautiful touch. Now we've got so many more fabrics like this in Chanderi with foil prints, which are just amazing with a very vibrant shade collection. So if you guys want to see more of these kind of collections, you can visit us at Banjara Hills. And the best part about it is that we've got up to 50% off right now starting from the 1st of September till the month end. So you guys have to come really quickly. Now this other Chanderi silk fabric that you see here, it's got this really nice shade of mint green color. It gives a very beautiful touch and it has a really nice pastel vibe to it. So this would be perfect to recreate any kind of outfits for a lightweight kurta, for menswear, or even if you want to create a nice anarkali, this could be customized into that. You can see all of this foil print that has been done across it. It's quite minimal yet it looks really beautiful, gives a very royal look, very royal touch, and this would be easily customized into any festive wear outfits for any wedding occasions too. If you want to customize this into a nice blouse or a suit set, this kind of fabric would really stand out. Now this color that you see, it's a very nice orangish mustard yellow color, and this would be perfect to recreate any outfits during the Navratri as well, because all of this has a really nice foil print which is very minimal yet it looks really bold. You can create nice statement dupattas with this, you can create a nice suit set, or even if you want to create a menswear kurta, this fabric would be ideal for it. The color also is very festive. So if you guys want to see more of these collections, you can follow us on our social media handles or you can visit us at Banjara Hills Road number 1. Now this silk fabric that you see, is a very light peach color, and this looks really minimal. And all over this you can see a foil print of gold and silver, which gives a nice floral like design across it. This could be perfect to recreate any kind of frocks, dresses, or any kids wear outfits that you want to create, because it's both lightweight, very soft on your skin, and quite breathable too. So it can be easily customized into any modern or traditional outfits. And we've got many more foil printed Chanderi silks here at Fabric by Singhania. So if you guys want to see more of these, you can come visit us at Banjara Hills, and the perfect part about it is that all of them are up to 50% off. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, hit like and comment below for more details. And if you guys want to see all of the other collections, you can visit us at Banjara Hills store, because we have the sale for the entire month, and subscribe to our channel.